Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to talk about a gaming backpack from ASUS. So we have seen so many backpacks from ASUS. Now we have the TUF series gaming backpack from ASUS. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. So this is the VP4700 series gaming backpack. It has a rollable sleeve and a couple of other goodies as well. So we're going to talk about how effective is this to carry laptop, how good the storage experience is, how comfortable it is, all those things we'll be talking about all those aspects in this video. So before getting started, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's begin. So this is the ASUS TUF series gaming backpack. So you can see here the ultimate force is mentioned and also the TUF gaming logo here. Now the logo is reflective. Now here we have a pocket. You can see here this can hold your smartphones and stuff. So this is kind of pretty deep pocket. It has the sticking mechanism here. Then we have a couple of pockets here. Now one is this one, this is inside, and outside also you get a pocket. So these are the two pockets. So this is kind of net kind of pocket, and so these are the two pockets available. Now you can see that the mechanism here looks pretty good. It's kind of sturdy one, easy to use and handle. So that's the one. Now here we don't have any don't have any pockets. Now this is the main option. So once you open this, you can see this is the rollable one. So you can roll this out and you can see that you can keep this way. This is how the rollable works. Now if you want to extend it, you can have this kind of space as well. Now every time you don't have to open this rollable thing, so you can also use the back side of this backpack. So you can see here there is a zipper here. So this one allows you to keep the backpack inside. Now inside you can see that there are two racks available. Now this is the inside material. You can see here fabric material, cushioning is given for the laptop. There are two compartments. Mainly one is for laptop and the other one is for regular chargers and other stuff. So those are the two pockets. Now here you can see that there is adequate cushioning given for the laptop area to protect the laptop area. Now you also have an option to carry it here. The backpack straps are quite okay. You can see that here also you can see the comfort cushioning given. Now what we felt was if you're carrying like 13 or 14 inches laptops, these are kind of quite okay, but if you're carrying around larger gaming laptops like the 17-inch ones, then the cushioning feels a bit less, I feel, because of the heavy weight of the gaming laptops. This cushioning could have been slightly better. That's what we feel. Otherwise the material quality, the stitching, everything looks quite okay. So that's the backpack. So these are priced around 1900 rupees in India. You can get it on Amazon. So this is quite a good option available if you want to carry around your gaming backpack. A couple of handy pockets are there and performs decently well. So if you plan to buy this laptop backpack, this is the TUF series gaming backpack. We'll share the link in the description of this video. It's a decent option to carry around big laptops. It's kind of adequately equipped in terms of storage space for laptop, the chargers, and a bit of handy stuff as well. You can expand it. You can see here it is kind of expandable as well. This is expanded to the size you can see here. So that's the gaming backpack from ASUS. So hope this video was useful. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.